How to change iCloud email address, Apple ID. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change iCloud email address, Apple ID. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in here, the first step that you need to take is to actually head over to the settings of your iPhone. So here's mine, so just click on it. Then from in there, you can see your Apple ID right here. So just click on your Apple ID. And then from in there, you can see the first option, which is name, phone numbers, and email. So just click on that and it will load for a while. And in here, you can see your name and just see in here this contactable app. So just click on the edit just beside it. And in here, you can add email or phone number, or you can also just remove this Apple ID. So if you click on remove right here and click on delete, you can see that you can choose another email. So just click on choose another email, and from in there, you can add a new email. So in here, first must enter your iPhone passcode. Then after you have done that, this will load again and will proceed to another window. So let's just wait for it to load. And in here, just enter the email address that you want to use, and then a verification code will be sent to that address, and you can now add this a primary email to your iCloud email address or Apple ID. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change iCloud email address. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.